Hi everyone, in this video let's quickly learn how to download Power BI Desktop in a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the search bar. Type Power BI download and press enter. Now select the official Microsoft Power BI link from the results. Once you land on the page, you will notice an option to change the language if you want Power BI Desktop in a different language. After that, simply click on the download button. Here you can see the downloading begins and it may take a few moments depending on the internet speed that you have. Once the download is complete, let's move ahead and install Power BI Desktop with easy steps. Your Power BI Desktop is now successfully installed, and that's the best part. It's completely free and you can now start creating your reports, dashboards and data visuals completely free. And you can also publish your reports on Microsoft Power BI Fabrics, and that's also free version. Thanks for watching.